Find that motivation.
Oh, wow. This is really awesome. This is like being in a swamp. Which way do you go? Oh, what the heck? Check out this frog. Oh wait, there's a bridge here. Watch your head. Oh wow, that is awesome. Are you serious? The ground is all like soft, like swamp. This is so cool. Wait a minute, what the heck? What is this? Is this water? Dude, should I go? Yeah. Oh my god. I don't want to.
Oh, I can't see anything.
What the heck? Where did we go? Oh, shoot. That was so awesome. It was like a swamp on a truck. There was actually a part where it looked like water. All you could see was this fog and like these green lasers that made it look like an actual marsh. And we had a special guest. He has an actual PhD in parapsychology, Jean-Pierre. And this is one of my mentors in the paranormal field. What did you think about that maze?
I thought it was really cool for a truck. It was so tight and confined that it's creepy. It's like trying to get through it. You have to like duck and wander stuff. So pretty interesting.
All right, thank you. Yeah, we're glad that we ran into you and that you were able to join us. You know, thank you.
Thanks for having me.